MLK Day often turns into a single lesson or a school assembly, but it really has the potential to be so much more. So, what if students didn't just learn about service, but they used this as an opportunity to plan and carry out meaningful service themselves? Welcome to Minds in Motion, our weekly series that brings you a complete project based learning experience through our 5-step PBL framework. Each week, we highlight a PBL project from the Path to Potential Gifted program at the Grande Innovation Academy and show you how you can use the same ideas in your own classroom. In today's Minds in Motion, we're focusing on how to use MLK Day as the launch point for a service learning PBL project. One that helps students connect Dr. King's message to real action in their own community. Our scholars often know the famous quotes by Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., but they don't always see how those words apply to their lives. So before starting the project, ground the students by revisiting ideas like fairness, justice, helping others, and using your voice. This creates a shared foundation before jumping into the project's work. When introducing a service project-based learning experience, shift the mindset from helping to now solving a problem. 1. Start with a local or school-based issue that the students can relate to. 2. Let students research and choose their focus area. And 3. Emphasize reflection just as much as action. This keeps the project aligned to Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. message of responsibility and leadership. Structure this as a short PBL cycle. Identify a community or school need, research causes and possible solutions, plan a simple service action, and then reflect on impact and learning. Even small projects like care kits, awareness campaigns, or school improvements can have powerful outcomes. So join us next week on Minds in Motion for some more ways to bring high-impact project-based learning to life.